When you hear the word topiary, you probably picture a perfectly clipped green hedge or those tightly formed plants shaped into spirals. But my next guest says the art of topiaries has grown far beyond the garden gate. From faux florals to unexpected elements, the updated DIY approach to topiaries is filled with creative potential. Studio 5 creative contributor Michelle Crowley has taken a deep dive, if you will, into all things topiary, and she's here to share her fun findings with us. It's kind of a fun word to say, topiary.
Topiaries.
Topiary. What do you love about this shape, this structure?
They're like all the things, addicting. Like once you make one, you're like, oh, and I could do this, and I could do that, and they're super fun.
My eyes don't even know where to dance
start
next because you've got so many fun creations, but I guess we should go center table with the summer tribute.
4th of July, which is over, but just barely. So,
and we've got the 24th.
That's true. We can celebrate. I like to celebrate all the whole month.
I do too. So the base of this is what?
So these styrofoam, well, you can get them in styrofoam or paper.
Okay.
And at any craft store. And then in a minute, we're going to talk about this little special guy.
Okay.
But these 3 are foam.
Foam.
Yes.
And where did you start? What did you do?
So starting with the base, so I start with the flowers, and I start with, like on this one over here, the biggest elements, which are these great big pink flowers. I can't remember what they're called. Are they daylilies? I don't know. Whatever they are, the great big flowers. So those go in first, and then you start to fill in with the little stuff. And then, of course, I added in.
This is fantastic.
Straws. They're just little straws and little cupcake picks and things like that, just to add up the whimsy.
So flowers first.
Flowers first.
Big lays down first.
The big, and then work to small. It's kind of like decorating a Christmas tree. Same idea, right? You start with your big elements, and then you work down to your smaller stuff. Same thing.
This is so fun.
And then the toppers, I go with this flamingo.
Is this a lawn ornament?
Yes.
Just right on top.
Yep.
And then how did you get the curly Q ribbon in there?
Okay, so this is just the stuff that you buy like in the packet, to top a present. And I just stick it in there, and I use these a lot.
Let's see.
These are floral pins, so they're extra long.
Yeah.
And they work great if you need to stick something in there, like for example, these things, because it goes right into the foam.
Yeah.
And it's really easily.
Okay,
and it's gonna hold things.
I see the addictive nature, because it would be so fun. I keep saying fun. Give me another word, please. But to comb the house and to find all of these fun things and put them in here, and suddenly you've got this wild custom centerpiece.
Crazy fun, and they take about an hour.
Okay.
So like, pretty fast. There's some instant gratification going on there.
What do you like with these guys?
So these kind of the same things. I don't know what those are called. They're not, because these are called floral pins, but I call those floral pins too.
Okay,
I don't know.
Just the shorter.
It's their U shape.
Double prong.
And those are really great for like some of the bigger stuff.
Let's talk about this one.
So like some of the bigger things, they can just help poke it in, like these guys. Same thing. These are the kind that go in a package.
How are they standing up though?
They're in foam, so you just stick them in. Oh. These are really, like, they made them really like wiry, like pull on them. See how they're wiry?
They boing. Like Susan's curls and Ramona Quimby, they just boing.
They are boingy, and you can just shape them, which makes them even more fun.
Do you have a pinwheel down front? Because you have a pinwheel in the back.
I do. I have right some pinwheels.
I'm looking at the back side, but look how fun that is with a pinwheel.
And flags that my grandson kept pulling out. And and then just ribbon, kind of the same way I do my Christmas tree with the ribbon again. Kind of tucking it in, using the floral pins or these shapes to stick them into the foam.
Okay, don't take this offensively. It almost hurts my eyes to think of
I know. Fall. I know.
But Home Goods has Halloween out, darn them.
I was at Hobby Lobby and they have Christmas out. Seriously, don't get me started.
That's offensive.
Don't get me started.
If we were to fast forward and bend our brain towards seasons to come, this is cool.
This is fun. So this one took a little longer because of all the pine cones.
Did you glue?
Glued. So I glued them on with a glue gun.
And this is a foam base underneath?
And this one actually is one of these cardboard.
The chipboard.
Guys, yep.
I think this is so creative and so interesting. Like your eyes just comb over all the texture.
Find the fun things.
Find the fun things. Yeah, it is. It's like a little search.
What's the guy in the striped shirt?
Where's Waldo?
Where's Waldo? It's like that.
Where is Waldo in our topiary?
Yes.
What's happening center stage?
Okay, so this form right here is super fun, and I just got it. I did a class, which is kind of what got me started on this. I follow this woman on Instagram. It's Cotton and Quill, and she does these topiary classes, and I couldn't help myself. I was like, oh, I have to try this. So I did the class, I ordered her form, which is a little different, and here's why. Because it's meant for live fruit. So it's this wooden base, so it's heavy. So feel this, like it's heavy. Because when you're putting all that fruit on it, it's got to hold the fruit.
Got to have stability.
Which I feel like the styrofoam isn't going to hold that, right?
No.
So it's got a wood base, and then it's got these nails in it, and then you just stick your fruit on there.
There goes the cutie orange.
So there they go, and it makes it super easy to do it. And so I
mean, you could
had
do
to
it
order
with
one. And
faux food too.
you could totally do it with faux food.
Yeah,
absolutely.
And then you filled in with the greenery.
And then I just filled in, and all I did is I took some of this boxwood, and I used some zip ties, and I put them in clusters.
Okay.
Clusters of like 4.
Yeah.
And then they just shove in there. And it's this one actually is, I bet, faster than an hour.
Look at
it
that.
goes together really,
and you're gonna
really
ribbon
fast.
on top?
So yes, so the other thing that's fun is to put it on a pot. So I've got my little pot.
Oh, you're gonna stack.
I'm gonna stack.
This is great.
And we're gonna come in here. Oh,
I saw the vision.
You've seen
Unfold in front of my eyes.
Yes, and it's kind of got that.
Look at this.
You know, with the blue and the orange, and then we've got a ribbon on top that's gonna spread out and kind of drape down.
We have a citrus centerpiece to impress.
And you can use any kind of fruit, like pomegranates at Christmas time.
That's
or
lovely.
All the different things.
Okay, you've done it again. You've done it again, and we love you for it. Where can we get more ideas, inspiration, tutorials from you?
From Michelle's Design Life and michellesdesignlife.com, Instagram.
Our favorite gal to follow
on my website
and to glean from. Thank you for
Thank
sharing
you.
your light and your creativity.